tip tap, hear the rain. Drip drop dancing on the pane. Put your hands up, feel the sky. Clouds are floating way up high. Fingers falling, drip drip drip, on your head and on your hip. Tap your shoulders, tap your knees. Splash in puddles, if you please. Tip tap, rainy day. Jump in puddles, laugh and play. Spin your body round and round. Listen to the rainy sound. Open umbrella, big and wide. Hide your face and peek inside. Left side, right side, sway so slow. Watch the little raindrops go. Boom, boom, thunder, stomp your feet. Pat, pat, softly, take a seat. Rub your hands and close your eyes. Rain says lullaby-byes. Tip tap, rain is through. Sun comes out to smile at you. Wave goodbye to cloudy gray. Hello, sunshine.